Alright, I have the wind tunnel 2 rewind here. Set the height to 2. That's its lowest setting. The hard floor setting actually lifts the machine up a little bit for whatever odd reason. Anyway, we're going to be vacuuming after the Bissell Power Swift. The filter is nice and clean on the Power Swift, and I shook this filter out over the garbage a little bit ago, so the filter should be pretty clean. But this is not the mess test. We're not mess testing this vacuum. We're seeing what the Bissell left after the mess test. I'm sure it's going to be a pretty large quantity of that Bissell. It's a decent deep cleaner, but it's nothing like this Hoover. This Hoover has a 12 amp versus 8 amp. It has a larger, more powerful brush roll. It just has more deep cleaning abilities in general. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off on this low rug. This one didn't leave too much of this brown one. Let's set it up to 3 actually. Lift it up a little bit more. It's sealing down to this rug. It's a little too much. It's not going to be so powerful. It pulls the whole rug up. Look at that. You see that? It's screwing up so well. Compared to that this. 4 is too high. Yeah, it just shocked me. So let's go to the area where I know the Bissell selection's in. That would be this thick compartment right here. Already. Look at the sand entering into the thing. incredible amount of sand. Sweet. Look at all that sand. Let's keep going. See how much we can get out of this carpet. That big bump right there is just bothering me because it's preventing the vacuum from being clean. Listen, this Hoover is agitating the rug under the rug. This is incredible. See what's in the bin. Tons of sand and fine particulates. Like that, it's heavier than it normally is. Why? Because there's lots of sand inside. Let's go this way. Oh yeah. Get the camera close to the camera. Closer to the camera. A few more passes across the carpet. Faster, this is about done. The carpet washer will put metal on the outside. Stop raining. All right, that's it. This bin is heavy. Look at all this fine particulates. Look at all that. I hope you can see that. I'm gonna dump this out into my sand bin. Let's tip the sand bin to the side and get everything that's already in there on one side. And then dump, hit the button. Look at that. Look at that. That is all the fine particulates and sand that were left inside that carpet. You can see pink sand, and look at all that. That has been dug deep down into that rug. Next, I'm gonna use that carpet cleaner right there, and we're gonna deep clean this rug, because that's gross. And I need this rug fluffed back up again and cleaned for more mess tests and deep cleaning tests. And any dirt that might still be in there is gonna be removed with the carpet cleaner. I'm probably gonna shampoo this rug out in the driveway, or something like that, yeah, probably. Because it's going to get water everywhere. All right, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed. That was a massive quantity of sand. If you saw, this Hoover wind tunnel is a beast of a vacuum. There's a little dust on it. It gets stuck to the back. This is not a dust leaker. Trust me, this is a sealed system. HEPA filter's not too dirty. It's pretty warm, though, of course. It's right next to the motor. All right, this is amazing Hoover. It deep cleans better than that Bissell does. As you scroll on, I've been using this on the rug, and this bucket of sand is what that Hoover has been pulling out of just that rug that the other machines have left behind, because this guy has a massively powerful brush roll. No matter how much airflow and suction you have, if you have a crappy brush roll, you ain't gonna deep clean. Look at that. Brushes are stiff, high RPMs, because it's directly attached to the motor. Looks like a lot of vacuums. And it has a very powerful brush and a brush roll shutoff. So if you want to clean hard floors and you don't want to scatter, this is good Hoover for 130 bucks. High recommendation for me, good quality. They use metal construction. If you can see, there's metal right here. I think that's steel. Metal right here to attach to the wheels. All the stress spots are getting metal, which I'm impressed with. A lot of companies don't do that. As you can see, that rug was just hiding a massive quantity of sand. Because this is a thicker carpet, this is a dense carpet, and those other machines just were not capable of extracting that much dirt. But as you can see in this bin right here, that's just all sand. This bin is heavy. That's probably like 6 pounds. That's a lot of sand. So next, Bissell carpet cleaner, and I'm going to deep clean the absolute out of this rug. So, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more.